Good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video, September the 3rd, 2021. And just like I said, here we are sitting here with a $4,000 Ethereum. That's right, folks. We saw Ethereum pop above $4,000 today, currently trading at $3,959 and a $50,000 Bitcoin. Now, we've got several videos on this channel talking about where we think Ethereum and Bitcoin are going to go. I did state that I thought Ethereum was going to hit $8,000. I don't know what people are thinking right now, because we saw these flash crashes, and here we are with the rebound here at the end of August, beginning of September. And I know people are like, should I just sell and get out? Some people got in when it made that first rush, Ethereum anyway, on the first rush going up to like 4,200. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. If we go back to Ethereum and take a look, let's go ahead and push that chart up and take a look. The last time we saw something like this was back in May, 3,928, and I believe it did. There it is. May 10th, it hit about 4,168, and now here we are again, up to those same levels. Here is my prediction. Folks, get ready to shake, rattle, and roll. We're getting ready to see all-time highs. New highs for Ethereum like no one has ever seen. Now, there have been a lot of people that have predicted this. I predicted this. But I think what we're about to see come to fruition is that $8,000 Ethereum. And the reason I believe this is because for the first time in history, the Congress of the United States, the Senate of the United States, are discussing cryptocurrency and how to regulate it efficiently, correctly, accurately. How are they going to deal with cryptocurrency? And in my mind, as I've stated in other videos on this channel, the only reason you would just want to regulate crypto is not just to try to get some money back from the taxpayers. It would be that you are now recognizing cryptocurrency as a legitimate asset. Just the fact that they're discussing this. I mean, think about all the other things they could be discussing. I mean, they've got their infrastructure bill. They've got plenty to worry about now. We've had the hurricane come through here, Hurricane Ida come through here, and tear up everything. Meanwhile, they're talking about infrastructure. Well, they got to restructure now. They got to deal with Hurricane Ida and a host of other things, the vaccinations and problems like this. These are real problems. So while we struggle with the traditional issues of abortion or not, minimum wage, all these kinds of problems that have traditionally plagued our government, now all of a sudden, for the first time in history, cryptocurrency is an agenda topic. And the recognition of cryptocurrency as a real asset puts us in a position where crypto can't go anywhere but up. And I think what we're seeing, when we look at the graph here, let me push this graph up here. When we look at this graph and we see this, I'm going to blow it up some. I'm going to scoot it over some. I want everybody to take a look at this. This build, look at how much is under this area curve here. I don't think this is the same thing. This is not just the same as the computerized trading. Yeah, the big people are in there, but I think we're seeing something different. I think we're seeing, for the first time in history, common people are starting to buy crypto. The people that are part of the, that make things go. The people that cut grass. The people that do hair. The people that work in the shops at the cashier's cages. People that deliver pizza. People that do construction work. Police officers. Teachers. The blue collar people that work day in and day out are now starting to get hip to the game. And they have the tools to now invest for the first time in a way that they understand. They have Robinhood. They have Cash App. They have these tools, and now they're buying Bitcoin. They're buying Ethereum. They're starting to learn how to do this. And that's why I think that we're getting ready to see an explosion. An explosion like we've never seen. And as I've stated before, everything in the top 10 has the potential to have $1 trillion market cap. Now, back in the old days, the first run when Bitcoin was hitting its all-time highs, Ethereum was 1/6 of the Bitcoin market cap, if you compared them side by side. Today, you can literally see that Ethereum is 1/2 of Bitcoin's market cap. It's gaining. People are starting to see the utility of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So what we have to understand is, because of this, we have an opportunity. This is not investment advice, but we have an opportunity like we've never had before. And it's time for us to start talking about what is the ramifications of a $5,000, $6,000, $8,000 Bitcoin. Is it rational? Folks, it is rational. We are literally, $8,000 Bitcoin would put us in the $1 trillion market cap area. Is it plausible that Ethereum could have $1 trillion market cap? Absolutely. Everything in the top 10 can. Is it plausible that Bitcoin could have a $2 million market cap, $100,000 Bitcoin? Folks, it's possible. I predicted an $80,000 Bitcoin and an $8,000 Ethereum. I'm sticking to that. If we go late into 2022, that's fine. But we still got 4 months left. September, October, November, December. It's going to be fun to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for listening, and I'll catch you on the next one.